Alright, today we're going to be unboxing this one. The new Nintendo Switch LITE. So let's start. By the way, this Nintendo Switch LITE comes in 3 colors. This one, which is the turquoise, the yellow one, and the gray. But my daughter actually picked this color because it's the same color as her room. So let's go ahead and open the box. See what comes inside. Oh, there you go. By the way, it has a 4GB RAM. That's what they thought it should be, but it's not confirmed yet. And it has a 32GB upgradable upgradable by micro SD card as well. But the main storage is 32GB, and it can connect to Wi-Fi as well. It has Bluetooth 4.1, NFC, and USB-C charging enabled as well. And it has a 5.5-inch touchscreen. And let's go. It has a 3570 milliamp battery, which can last up to 6 hours, and with 3 hours charging time from flat to full. So here is the USB, or the charging cable, which is USB Type C, which is actually really good. That's all there is in the box. Actually, there's nothing. So here it is. Let's open it up. It actually looks so good in person. Nice. Nintendo Switch LITE. We're gonna open it, see if there's some juice in there. There you go. So this one retails for $329 right here in Australia, and we traded her Nintendo 3D XL and got an $80 discount. So here it is, the Nintendo Switch LITE, right here on Pinoy Tech Unboxings. See you again on the next one. Peace.